Hotel with a breathtaking and relaxing view? Well, maybe this is what you're looking for.
Susday, it's Maylin in Cambodia.
So for today's video, isasama ko kayong mag-check-in sa The Bridge Residence. Baka nagtataka kayo why we came late. Actually, kanina pa dapat yung check-in since 2 p.m. Kaso nag-aalangan nga kaming pumunta kasi oras na. Shoutout nga pala sa sister ko kasi libre lang to. Kasi nag-book siya ng 2 room just to get the free function hall para sa birthday ng aking pamangkin. So since gusto kong mag-swimming, ginrab ko na yung opportunity para makapunta dito. Room floor nga pala is 39. So ayan na, pupunta na tayo doon sa taas. Whenever sumasakay ako dito, parang nabibingi talaga ako kasi sobrang bilis niya. So while waiting, syempre, ganado, sayaw-sayaw muna tayo dahil libre lang. Here we go, nasa 39th floor na tayo. This is one of my favorite spot nga pala. Mas maganda dito if you will take a photo during daytime. Papunta na nga pala kami sa room namin and yeah, sobrang tahimik and para sa akin nakukulangan ako sa lights nila kasi medyo dim. Tapos medyo creepy yung dating pero hindi naman talaga nakakatakot because of the lights lang talaga. So here we are, double check lang namin kasi baka may tao sa loob. Charot lang. Tara na, let's go in. So pagpasok mo, ayan, mauuna yung CR na connected dun sa room. And finally, this is our room and as you can see, sakto lang yung laki niya. Good for 2 packs lang siya. Let's open the sliding door to see what's outside. 1, 2, 3, charan! Look at that view. Makikita nyo nga pala dyan yung The Peak and Shangri-La Hotel. Safe ka din kasi hanggang dibdib yung grills nila. Actually, I'm not sure if the swimming pool is still open kasi sobrang late na. It's around 10 p.m. na here. But no one can stop me because I would like to capture this moment. I swear, ang ganda talagang magpicture dito. Yes, I know I look sad kasi hindi nila kami pinayagan mag-swimming. But at least we managed to take some photos and videos. Yung pool is open until 9 p.m. lang talaga. So yes, we came back into our room tapos nagtimpla na lang ako ng kape. By the way, we have 2 slippers. And of course, coffee. And then they do have fridge as well. If you have drinks, you can put it there. They do have electric induction if you wanna cook. And yes, these are all empty. Just in case lang na may family gatherings kayo or whatsoever, you can use those spots. They have microwave, washing machine, and of course, kitchen things na rin. If you wanna eat, cook, then you can use naman. Actually, it's kinda old and also hindi rin complete yung mga cooking materials nila. Walang pang mix, walang kutsara, tinidor, ganon. And nga pala, meron na nga pala itong 2 aircon. So kapag tinurn on mo talaga, super lamig. On our case, we only turn on 1 AC kasi ang lamig talaga. So this is our view by the way. And since wala kaming magawa, naisipan na lang namin manood ng movie. By the way, they aren't strict. You can even invite whoever even though you just got or you just book 1 bedroom. This might be your favorite spot to take video or photo. This is the other side of the pool. So what are you waiting for? Check in now!